Hello everyone, welcome back to Little English Tips YouTube channel, your favorite place to learn simple and practical English. If you are a beginner and want to speak English fluently in daily life, you are in the right place. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Basic daily sentences. I am going to the market. She is my friend. What is your name? I don't understand. Repeat after me. I am going to the market. She is my friend. What is your name? I don't understand. Common questions and answers. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Practice conversation. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Now try it with me. Hello, how are you? I'm good. Where are you going? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practical English lessons. Comment below with the sentences you learned today. Keep practicing and remember, English is easy when you learn with fun. See you in the next lesson.